It's not the white men that brought the Bible to Africa.
ወደ አፍሪካ መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ያመጡ ነጮች አይደሉም።
Ethiopia had the Bible before the white men.
ከነጮች በፊት ኢትዮጵያ መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ነበራት።
As a matter of fact,
እውነቱን ነግራችሁ
Ethiopia had the gospel before the Bible.
መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ሳይጻፍ ኢትዮጵያ ወንጌል ደርሷታል።
There is a man called the Ethiopian eunuch
ኢትዮጵያዊ ጃንደረባ የሚባል ሰው አለ
who was taught by Philip.
ፊሊጶስ ያስተማረው ሰው
And if you understand, that is before the Bible, the New Testament was written.
ያንን ከተረዳችሁ ያ መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ አዲስ ኪዳን
There was
ከመጻፉ በፊት ነው።
already an Ethiopian coming to Africa to tell them what's happening before the Bible was written.
መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ሳይጻፍ ለኢትዮጵያ ሊነግር